Hello everyone, welcome to my live stream. Welcome to my blog. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my short videos. Uh, Welcome to my content. So by the way guys, uh, my name is Noel Orong, Mr. Wing Bien from Philippines. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So by the way guys, if you have Facebook account, you can visit me and my Facebook account MWBTV or Mr. Wing Bien. So I will introduce myself, guys. So I am uh, the only the only one boy from my original father, but today I have a second brother or step brother. The name is Leoniber Sakal because my mother is after my father died on 1999 because of the lungs cancer. So my mother is decided to get married again. Then by the grace of God, he found a very nice guy. The name is Basilio. Yeah, Basilio Sakal. But unfortunately, uh, my stepfather, he was died. He was passed away almost 2 years ago because of the very complicated illness. So this is why my mother right now is back to widow, widow status. So by the way, I my siblings is I have uh, three sisters. The name is Erlinda, our eldest. Then the second is Maritis, and the youngest is Lanilin. So I am only one boy in my first family. By the way, my father's name who passed away on 1999. My father's is Bonifacio Urong, okay, and my mother name is Virgilia Alipaupau. Yeah, Virgilia Alipaupau Urong. But today, his family name is uh, using the family name of second second husband because they are married too, and Sibyl married. So the he used the family name of Sakal. Yeah, we love shout out to all Sakal family in the Philippines. So guys, so I'm very sorry once again to all my viewers in the Philippines. So I'm very sorry of my very simple English. So I decided to use this language because this language, English, is a universal language. So because I have many friends, I have many friends, mga amigo, mga amiga, no, mga kaibigan from the other countries, friends. So shout out especially to my brother that travels in United Kingdom because I have many friends there. I have many subscribers over there in United Kingdom, USA, Canada, Australia. So I have many friends, English people. That is why I use this English language because I want to express myself to all my English audience all over the world. So I know there are mostly in the Filipino right now in the present time. So mostly of us we can understand even we are lack of understanding of English language, but mostly many of us we understand and the basic English, right? So that is why I choose to use English right now in my content or in my video. So by the way, guys, so I'm very very sorry, guys. My video is so very very poor, and my my video is very very simple. So no edit video. So the thumbnail of this video is no edit video. Okay, I am a Filipino Englishero. So I am a Filipino Englishero, and my video very simple, no edit. So guys, once again, I am Noel Orong, Mr. Wingbin from the Philippines. So I hope guys you can support my channel. So don't forget guys to hit the notification bell, guys, and of course subscribe button, please. This is a very very simple, guys, very very simple. You can show your support by pressing the subscribe button over there and like, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you are updated to my upload video every day. Okay, so guys, once again guys, don't forget guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please like, and most of all guys, please leave a comment, guys. So what do you think, what you can say about my channel, and about my content, about my video, about my very very poor English. I am the Filipino English hero. Thank you for watching.